हाय देयर गाइस, हाउ आर यू? नाउ इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे द बैलेड ऑफ रीडिंग गोल बाय ऑस्कर वाइल्ड. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी फेमस पोएम बाय ऑस्कर वाइल्ड, ठीक है. एंड इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ MEG from IGNOU specially, this video will be very useful. So basically we will analyze the poem. First of all we'll see a summary of it, what is it is about, ठीक है, किस चीज़ के बारे में है ये. उसके बाद फर्दर एनालिसिस करेंगे. और अगर आप डिटेल्ड समरी देखना चाहते हैं, डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस, देन जस्ट व्हाट्सएप मी ऑन दिस नंबर, ठीक है, गिवन बिलो दिस वन, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ PDF, ठीक है, जिसमें पूरा एनालिसिस है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट, स्ट्रक्चर एंड फॉर्म, देन थीम्स क्या हैं, टोन, सिंबलिज्म, इमेजरी, एवरीथिंग, ठीक है. यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग फॉर दिस इज फॉर फ्री. नाउ बिफोर आई टेल यू अबाउट द समरी, ठीक है, बिफोर आई डिस्कस दैट, अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं देन यू कैन कनेक्ट विद मी ऑन टेलीग्राम, ठीक है, हर्ष सिंह सर ऑफिशियल. दिस इज द ऑफिशियल लिंक ऑन टेलीग्राम. एंड वन मोर अनाउंसमेंट, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर UGC नेट इंग्लिश, ठीक है, वी आर स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू बैच ऑन द 2nd of April, ठीक है. फॉर enquiries just WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. And this is a brief about me. If you want to read, you can read here, ठीक है. Now coming to the short summary. So what is this ballad of reading goal about? किस चीज के बारे में है? See, this is a very poignant and reflective poem. Poignant क्या होता है? Full of pain, मतलब painful, ठीक है. This poem was written after Wilde's own imprisonment. Now if you remember, Oscar Wilde in his lifetime was imprisoned. इनको जेल हो गई थी. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम ही मेट समबडी हु वाज अ फेलो प्रिजनर हु वाज कंडेम्ड टू डेथ, ठीक है. सो दिस पोएम इज रिलेटेड टू दैट. सो दिस पोएम टेल्स द स्टोरी ऑफ अ प्रिजनर कंडेम्ड टू डेथ फॉर मर्डरिंग हिज वाइफ, ठीक है. सो प्रिजनर हैड मर्डर्ड हिज ओन वाइफ, ठीक है. फॉर दैट ही वाज कन्विक्टेड. सो उसके ऊपर है ये. And this poem captures the cruelty, despair of the penal system of the time, and Wilde vividly describes the daily lives of prisoners, their suffering, and the dehumanizing effects of incarceration. Now, we all know that the condition in prisons, even in Indian prisons or jail, is pathetic. And similar was the case even in Great Britain at that time. So, Oscar Wilde describes all of that. Okay? The central theme revolves around the shared human condition, emphasizing that no one is free from sin or suffering. And Wilde's work critiques societal hypocrisy and explores deeper truths about justice, redemption, and the human spirit. ठीक है. And there is a refrain in this poem. ठीक है. एक लाइन है, yet each man kills the thing he loves. ठीक है. ये जो लाइन है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. You can also use it in your answer writing. And what this line indicates is that the tragic nature of human relationships and emotions. ठीक है. So this is just a short summary of this poem by Oscar Wilde. Now let's go into more details. ठीक है. एक brief idea मिल गया आपको that this is about a prisoner who was condemned to death or sent to death penalty was given because that prisoner had murdered his own wife. ठीक है. Now coming to the detailed summary. Now this is a narrative poem. ठीक है. And it was written after the release of Oscar Wilde. Now keep in mind that the event that this poem describes happened at the time in which Oscar Wilde himself was in jail. But Oscar Wilde wrote this poem when he was out of jail, when he came out of jail. ठीक है. So this poem reflects his emotional and philosophical response to the harsh realities of prison life and the execution of a fellow inmate or prisoner whose name was Charles Thomas Wooldridge. ठीक है. Charles Thomas Wooldridge, a trooper convicted of murdering his wife. The poem is structured in 6 parts, ठीक है, with 109 stanzas. ठीक है. 109 stanzas हैं, which is a really long poem. ठीक है. Written in a ballad form that echoes traditional English folk poetry. It begins with the vivid image of Wooldridge awaiting execution, described as a man who killed the thing he loved. ठीक है. ये जो line है ये बहुत important है. It is a refrain that recurs throughout. The narrative shifts between his specific fate and the broader reflections on the shared suffering of all prisoners. ठीक है. Shared suffering क्यों है? Because this convict, of course, was being executed or was being hanged. But even the other prisoners who are in prison, they are also suffering because of the bad condition in which prisons are there. It is very difficult to live in a prison for a prisoner. So Wilde uses the condemned man as a symbol of universal human guilt and redemption, suggesting that each man kills the thing he loves in some way, whether through cruelty, whether through cowardice or neglect. Now we all will agree that everybody in the world is guilty of some kind of cruelty or some kind of cowardice or some kind of neglect. And all of these 3 things ultimately can kill the thing that we love. ठीक है. The poem critiques the brutality of the penal system, ठीक है, as we discussed, depicting the dehumanizing conditions of prison life. So अगर आपको आंसर राइटिंग अच्छा करना है then you must quote phrases and words from the poem. For example, grey and gaunt walls, the monotonous labor, pervasive fear of death. It contrasts the prisoners' inner turmoil with the indifferent world outside, where nature continues its cycles unperturbed. Wild also explores themes of sin, punishment, and Christian mercy, drawing parallels to Christ's suffering and arguing that all men are flawed and thus united in their need for forgiveness. Okay, so just trying to make the point that since we all are guilty in some way, forgiveness is required. Okay? After that, the execution scene is a climactic moment and it is described with the help of stark imagery. Okay? Stark imagery. So whenever you write answers, you should also comment on the imagery. For example, the hangman's hands, the lime-strewn grave, highlighting the finality and horror of capital punishment. Okay? After Wooldridge's death, the prisoners' lives resume their grim routine, but his unmarked grave, ठीक है, haunts the poem's close, a testament to society's attempt to erase its outcasts. Outcast का मतलब क्या होता है? Somebody who's a defaulter, somebody who defies laws. ठीक है, so किस तरीके से society जो है defaulters को punish करती है. And here the suggestion is that there is excessive punishment. So in a way we can say that the Ballad of Reading Gaol is both a personal lament and a social critique. Personal lament क्यों है? Because his fellow inmate or prisoner was executed. And social critique क्यों है? Because it is also a comment on a society that is very unforgiving, that treats not just those people who are murderers, but even common prisoners or just other prisoners in a very, very dehumanizing way by the bad conditions of prison in which the prisoners live. ठीक है, so in that sense it is a social critique also. ठीक है, one more thing, we are running a batch for Jamia's PG English entrance exam. If you want to join this batch, the time is now. Still there are around 3 weeks left. ठीक है, तो इसमें अच्छी खासी तैयारी हो सकती है आपकी. So don't miss this golden opportunity because Jamia Millia Islamia is one of the top universities in India. ठीक है,